Alright, let me see if I remember how to do this. Hey guys, welcome to Brad's Beer Reviews. Where am I supposed to look in this camera? Is it right over here? Yeah, I'm back. And we're going to review a beer my wife picked up and surprised me with. It's New Belgium Oakspire. Oakspire? Yeah. Bourbon Barrel Ale. It's a collaboration with Knob Creek, so I'm pretty excited about it. Comes in at 9% ABV. They used ale yeast, nugget hops, and I don't remember the rest of them because my memory is not that good. Um, but all that really doesn't matter. I know from what I read about it that they never use this opener, 4,000 different barrels, which was interesting. We got Marvin from Arkansas Beer Reviews here off camera. He's being antisocial. Gonna be drinking out of this brandy snifter. We got company.
It's on the floor.
Wait.
I don't know why, but I was expecting this to be. I mean, this color makes sense based on if you're thinking about a bourbon profile. But for some reason, I was expecting it to be darker. It's got a dark caramel color. I got maybe a finger ahead here. Not a whole lot of bubbles. That's really it on the appearance. It looks really tasty in this glass, though. Let's get a nose. Lots of vanilla, toffee. You definitely get the aroma of the bourbon. You get the breadiness from the yeast. And maybe slight caramel. That's all I'm getting though. It smells very, very good. I could sit and sniff this all day long. Let's get to the fun part and get a taste. Mm. Caramel. It's a combination of vanilla and caramel. If you ever never heard of it, caramel. I'm gonna copyright that. Vanilla and caramel is what I was going to say. Bitter finish hangs around in your mouth. And I actually get a slight taste of the bourbon. Now this is probably about room temperature. And this is probably how I would drink it. To get the most flavor out of it. I just wish it was a tad sweeter. But it is good. I like it and I would drink it again. Be curious, I say I would drink it room temperature. I'd be curious to try one real cold and see how that changes it. Now I will say this is not a cheap beer. So you better be sure this is something you're interested in before you go pick it up, because my wife paid $16 for the 6-pack, but that's still cheaper than what you'd pay if you go out to most bars and restaurants and drink a craft beer. It came out to like $2.33 a beer, so all in all, not so bad. Pretty good beer. I wouldn't say it necessarily knocked my socks off, but I'm going to revisit a real cold one and see how that changes things, but I would recommend it. Especially if you like bourbon, like I like bourbon, get you some. Try it. As Tim says, you might like it, you might not. But thanks for joining Brad's Beer Reviews. I will be back with another one today, so you should see 2 of these from me pretty soon. Look out for it. And thanks for you guys sticking with me. We'll see you again.